Look at these two bones. They look similar from the outside, but inside, the difference is life-changing. On the left, healthy bone, dense, strong, like a solid honeycomb. On the right, that's osteoporosis, brittle, full of holes. A simple slip, a cough, or even a hug can shatter it. If you are over 65, you've been told this is irreversible. You've been told to take calcium, drink milk, and pray. But what if I told you that those holes can fill back in? That bone is not dead stone, it is living tissue. Today, I'm going to show you the specific biological trigger you've been missing. No drugs, no gimmicks, just the natural signal your body is waiting for to rebuild your spine and hips. Coming up. Let's clear up the biggest lie first. You think osteoporosis is a calcium deficiency. It is not. It is a signaling deficiency. Think of your bones like a bank account. Calcium is the money. But you can have a vault full of gold. If the bank manager is asleep, you cannot make a withdrawal or a deposit. Inside your bone marrow right now, you have master cells called mesenchymal stem cells. These cells are lazy. They don't know what to do. They can either turn into fat cells, making your bones weaker, or osteoblasts, the builders. Your job at 65 plus is to tell them, build bone, not fat. NASA discovered the secret 40 years ago. When astronauts go to space, they lose 1% of their bone density every month. Why? No gravity, no impact. This proves Wolff's Law. In simple terms, bone builds itself where you force it to. If you sit in a chair all day, your body thinks, why keep heavy, expensive bone around? Get rid of it. To reverse osteoporosis, you need mechanical loading. But wait, if you have fragile bones, you can't do high-impact jumping jacks. You'll break. You need the Goldilocks zone of impact, hard enough to wake up the bone cells, soft enough to keep you safe. Protocol Step 1. Oscillatory vibration. Bone cells are deaf. They cannot hear your thoughts, but they can feel frequency. When you stand on a vibration plate, or even just tap your heel on the ground 30 times, the fluid inside your bone shifts. This shear stress tells the osteocytes to release prostaglandin E2, a chemical that says, stop resorption, start building. You don't need an expensive machine. At home, hold a sturdy chair, rise onto your toes, drop your heels firmly but safely to the floor. Pause. Repeat 30 times, 3 times a day. This sends a signal up your tibia, through your knees, and directly into your lumbar spine. Do not bounce, just drop. Protocol Step 2. The 7-second contraction. Most people lift weights too fast. 1, 2, up, down. That builds muscle. It does not build bone density. Bone requires strain. You need to hold a contraction for 7 to 10 seconds. When you hold a squat or a wall sit for 7 seconds, the bone actually bends about 0.1%. The body perceives this bending as a pre-fracture. It panics, in a good way. It floods the area with bone morphogenetic proteins, BMPs. That is your natural bone glue. It fills the porous holes you saw at the start of this video. Try this. Wall sit for 7 seconds. Rest 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. That is 70 seconds of bone stress. That is better than an hour of walking. Protocol Step 3. Nutrient timing. Here is the tragedy. You can do the exercises perfectly, but if you eat calcium at the wrong time, it clogs your arteries instead of fixing your hips. You need vitamin K2 and D3. D3 opens the door from your gut to your blood. K2 acts like a traffic cop, grabbing calcium from your blood and stuffing it into the bone matrix. Do not take calcium supplements alone. You are just hardening your pipes. Eat your calcium, leafy greens, tofu, sardines, with fermented foods, natto, sauerkraut, for K2, and take D3 from the sun or a supplement. Do the exercises in the morning, eat the calcium at night. That's when your body remodels bone. Look at that. You didn't turn back into a 20-year-old, but you went from a fracture waiting to happen to functional, independent bone. You are not stuck with this diagnosis. Osteoporosis is not a static disease. It is a conversation between you and your skeleton. You just have to speak the right language. Impact, 7-second holds, and K2. Try the heel drops tomorrow morning, just 30. If you feel any sharp pain, stop. But if you feel tension, that is the sound of your bones reversing the clock. Subscribe if you want the printable 7-day wall sit routine. I'll put the link in the description. Be careful out there, but more importantly, be strong. See you in the next one.